Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna discuss about the best bodyweight exercise for your chest, shoulders, and lats. As you already know, the best exercise is push-ups, but not everyone can make a perfect push-up. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect push-up. Let's have a closer look. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart and keep your feet together. Keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest nearly touches the floor, making sure to keep your elbows close to your sides. Pause briefly at the bottom of the movement, then push yourself back up to the starting position by straightening your arms. Make sure to exhale as you push up and inhale as you lower your body. Keep your neck in a neutral position by looking down at the floor, rather than craning your neck up or tucking your chin into your chest. Keep your shoulder blades pulled down and back, rather than hunching your shoulders up towards your ears. If you are struggling to perform push-ups on your toes, start with modified push-ups on your knees until you build up your strength. By following these basic rules and tips, you should be able to perform push-ups with proper form and technique, which will help you to get most out of this exercise and avoid injury. Hey, thank you for watching the video. I hope it was useful, and if you found any mistakes, please let me know in the comments section. Please subscribe, leave a like, and see you around.